Many people can be quite confused about division by 0. But before we get to division by 0, let's figure out what is division. So say we have 12 divided by 3. What does this mean? It means how many 3's do you require to make a 12? You need 4 3's to make a 12. Let's take another example. Say 16 divided by 4. How many 4's are required to make 16? How many times should you add 4 to itself to come to 16? The answer is 4. 4 4's are 16. This is what division is all about. Now let's look at division by 0. So let's take 81. 81 divided by 0. So the question we ask ourselves is, how many zeros do we need to add to each other to get to 81? And there is no answer. You can add zeros forever and still never get to 81. So it is not defined. It is illegal. It is not allowed. It is the equivalent of a mathematical sin. How about the other way around? Suppose we take 0 divided by 81. We ask ourselves, how many times do we need to add 81 to itself to get to 0? And the answer is 0. You don't need to add 81 to itself at all. So 0 divided by 81 is 0. 0 divided by anything is 0, except when we get to 0 divided by 0 itself. So again we ask ourselves, how many times do we need to add 0 to itself to get to 0? And the answer can be 1, 2, a million, 6,855, anything, right? So all the answers are correct, which means in mathematical terms it is indeterminate. We cannot determine how many times we have to add 0 to itself to get to 0. So 0 by 0, 0 divided by 0 is indeterminate.